Hello everyone, today's topic is a startup proposal of a company called Ice Fancy. Our team is interested in ice sports, especially after the successful bid of 2022 Beijing Winter Olympic Games, so that we focus on a huge market in China. Our product has the same name as the company, Ice Fancy. It is an ultra-high density polyethylene ice rink, and the sliding feeling is almost the same as the real ice. Ice Fancy services are in all aspects of design, technology, and operation. According to a series of policies issued by the State Sports Administration of China, we can see that Chinese government is pushing the development of winter games. These policies provide a huge space for innovation and support for Beijing sports-related entrepreneurs. But the problems are also very obvious. Skating is constrained by season and geography in the southern China. Real ice rinks are costly, and environment pollution caused by ice skating are serious. So, based on these problems, we set our target market. The primary market is the southern China, which normally has limits to the skating conditions. The secondary market is the northern China, which is economic development. Now I'd like to move on to our advantages. Compared with real ice rink, the Ice Fancy is suitable for any kind of ground, so it is non-limits. Ice Fancy uses a special material which guarantees the smooth sliding of the ice skaters, and carry out the training of speed skating, figure skating, ice hockey, and so on. At last, Ice Fancy is a product made of eco-friendly technology, so it reduces the energy consumption to zero. Also, the cost of the Ice Fancy is only 1/3 that of a real rink, so it is less expensive.
Our business model is that Ice Fancy rents the venue from the owner and fully invest and operate by ourselves. We are responsible for the construction and the operation of the synthetic ice rink, so as to avoid the risk brought by the owner due to lack of professionalism. This is a revenue model. This graph shows our revenue items, including tickets, training costs, air rent, advertisements, events, and shop. In addition to the daily ticket money, a new trend in the operation of skating rinks is to cooperate with school, make full use of venues, and become the school's extracurricular sports activity base. At the same time, cooperating with sports department and colleges to become the training base for skaters is also a great strategy. We also predict the benefit for the next 4 years. By 2021, we are expected to achieve a net profit of £1.4 million. That's all for my presentation. Thank you.